This brings me to the great replacement lie. The first replacement theory panic wasn't about losing America, it was about sharing it. They've cried invasion for 5 centuries every time their monopoly on violence slips. The 1500s to the 1800s were the original white tears. Every colonial genocide began with the same line. They're erasing our culture. The Acadians must be deported because their fertility terrifies us. 1920s to 2020. The clans rebrand. The great replacement isn't just eugenics with better memes. The only thing they replaced was their vocabulary, their political correctness, and the sensible, reasonable tone in which they use to debunk your theories. But they don't actually debunk your theories, they just move the goalposts further and further. The prediction for 2050, the math that they fear, they scream demographic shift like it's apocalypse, not payback for redlining and sterilization. Replacement is just colonizer for losing control. The fear that they'll no longer be the majority in America. Whiteness is addicted to victimhood because if they admit they built this system, the guilt would kill them faster than any replacement. No one is replacing you, we're just existing louder. They told you it was a race. It was always a religion. Whiteness is a death cult, 500 years in the making. This isn't just history. This is an exorcism. Their dogma, whiteness has sacraments. The confession, I'm not racist, but the communion, suburban zoning laws. I'm not racist, but I just don't want them in my neighborhood. The blood sacrifice, 800 years of a genocide against unarmed brown bodies. Article 1. Only free white persons may join the cult. The recruiting tactics. Membership comes with one rule. Hurt whoever's below you. Your skin, just the robe they let you borrow. Same pitch. Divide by skin color. Kill the dark ones. Just with better font. Their escape plan. This breaking the spell starts with you see the spell. When you realize your ancestors were also sacrificed to this machine, they need you afraid. You don't have to be afraid. The aftermath of all this is imagining a world where white just means sunburn risk, not an excuse to hoard while children starve or get abused by rich men. Their cult is weak. It runs on your fear. It's completely psychological. Cutting your attention and your desire to be like them kills the system. And until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep making history. I'm Daryl Omar, and I'll see you soon.